it fucking drunk.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show on the road, get you guys a little bit of box action. As you can see, you get the little white neon, kind of graffitied Nike box. Let's get a little bit of label action. Let's get this up in here. Let that focus for you guys. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Vote Black and Cell. Now I'm kind of happy, as you guys can see, this is in my size 13. So I got two pairs, 13s of this shoe. I got them for under retail because it seems to be all the Jordans are sitting. Let me bust the shoe out, get this light out real quick, guys. A little bit of hair on mine again. I don't know why all my shoes come with hair. See, I'll get you guys a little bit of zoomed in action on this one. Nice tongue. Materials are alright so far that I see. Extra pair of white laces. The Vote mudguard. White leather Nike background. Black Nike swoosh. To the black Jordan Wings logo. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, just that Jordan 1s. Like I said, I'm happy yet sad that I could pick up all the Jordan 1s for under retail. It's just weird seeing them all just sitting. I remember the times where you could not find any Jordan 1 sitting. I guess those times are finished, guys. I'll have to roll on with the Jordan 1s as it is. Black Jordan 1 bottom. Looks like a distressed upper. I'll give you guys a little bit closer look. This is the little tongue. Like I said again, Vote mudguard. Vote lacelets. Black Nike swoosh. Try to get you guys a little bit of this and hope I don't F this one up. But you can see like it's kind of a aged upper. They're going for the retro look on all the Jordan 1s now. That rolled leather upper or crumbled leather upper, whatever you guys prefer to call it. Now you're getting the same thing on this side of the shoe. Like I said, you get one pair of laces. I think this shoe might have did good with Vote laces. You get like an aged black pair of blackish gray laces in there too. Get this light off. Well, in my opinion, it's not a bad shoe. Like I said, I was able to pick up two pairs in my size, so I'm not sad. I'll give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your feet. Did you guys manage to snag a pair? Are Jordan 1s even still on your list of shoes when you go shopping? You guys know what time it is. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe, especially in these times, and make sure you have a nice day.